So here we have specified the first function and we have specified the local host URL here. And for the people who are watching this video for the first time on my channel and not aware of Llama here is the video tutorials. I am providing the links for them in the description section below. So following through these tutorials, you will be able to configure Llama on your local machine. And also one more thing I just want to specify here, we are not downloading the model on our local machine. So this is the major problem which most of us are facing because we can't run highly powerful models. So let me try to show you what are the models actually available. Quick glance I'll try to provide here. So here is the Llama website. Let me try to search the Llama 4 models here, and we do have the list of models supported in this variant. So here you can see the last variant, which is a cloud variant, and if you want this as a local model here, it takes almost 20 GB. And again, it's not the question of size here once it downloads. So it requires a high amount of RAM because this is having a context of 256K. The current system which I am using is not capable of running this model on the local machine, and this is the same for most of you. So the reason I am using the cloud, I hope you understand now. The model won't run on our local machine. Instead, it runs in the cloud and will provide us the output. So here are the two benefits. We can access the highly powerful model, and the second benefit is we are completely running this for the free here, free of cost, and there is no need to sign up or no need to get any API to use this particular model. And you can see the text comma image here, and most of you might be confused that it might generate even images, but no, here you can clearly see this is the input type. So it can understand the image and describe it, but it can't generate the image directly. So I hope this is clear for you. And if you are having a highly compatible system, I suggest you to go ahead and download 7.2 Llama 4 E2B variant first and try running this on your system. But again, I am trying to suggest you, if you are having high compatible system, only try to download this and try to run this. And if you are having anything like a basic 8 GB RAM Mac M1 or M2, I mean for 8 GB variant, I don't suggest downloading any of these models. And once you start using the AI model here, so this is how it will look like. From the drop down, you need to select the cloud option here, and when I specify high here, you can see how fast it responds back. Whereas when I selected the downloaded model here, so this is the model which I downloaded, and also it's a wrapper, I can say I made it. When I try to make a question here, just like hi, see the time it is taking, because this is the local model that is currently running on my system. So always local model takes time to process, but the main advantage of using the local model is it is completely secure because it is running from your system itself, so it won't interact with the internet. But the point is our systems won't be having the capability to run the model. Also, you can compare the response here. The local model might not be that efficient, whereas if you compare the same with the cloud model here, you can find how it responded back. So I hope you found this video useful, and if yes, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.